Hello teachers, welcome to another St. Martin Academy EduTech Team tutorial. I am Ms. Trim and today I will be sharing with you tips and tricks to creating your comprehensive tests or quizzes using PDFs that you may have found or PDFs from larger documents that you have and you want to turn it into a test. Here are a few tips on how to do so. On my screen is an excerpt from a larger PDF file. It's about 666 pages, so it's a larger document and it's an English document, but there's a specimen test that I would like to extract from this larger document. So here goes. Now I find the page that I would like to use, and then we're going to take what is called a screenshot of this page. So you apply Control and the print screen key on your keyboard, and then I've taken the shot. Now I'm going to go to the Microsoft Word document where I will now paste Control V that shot. So there is the shot. Now to crop this, I need to crop this, so I will go to Format, select Crop, and now I'm going to crop. I would like to take out the page number because I don't want students to track exactly where I got it from. So I'm making several modifications to minimize the ability to locate the piece. So there it goes. Now I have it. Take out all of the extra that I don't need. So I have the excerpt for the passage. So we now select crop again because we're finished with that. Now I'd like to expand this. So to move it around on the page, you want to text wrap that. Select behind text. And now I'm free to move this about the page. I'm going to now expand so that it is now readable. Make it nice and big. There we go. I can even crop out the section that says items 32 to 39 because I will be renumbering my questions. So I don't want that. Right, take that out, and now I have just the excerpt that I want. Go back to crop. There we go. And I think if you want it a little bigger, you can make it as big as you want it. Just try not to exceed the margins of the page. All right, now we want to go back to the PDF document and select the questions. So we're going to print screen again. Notice it's a specimen paper. So I'm going to Control print screen to take the next screenshot and then go back. Now switch to the Microsoft document, which is here. And I'm going to paste that picture that I just took. Control V to paste, and it comes up on the next page. So let's crop again. Format, crop, and there we go. Now it comes over because it's now made smaller. So it's moved to the next page. And take out all the unnecessaries. Bring that up. And now I've got the two questions that I want. So I go back to Format, Crop. Now that I have this, I want to move it around on the page and size it, resize it, make it larger. So I text wrap, but I place it in front text this time. So I can bring this up Now I will resize to my liking. There we go. Almost done. And I can bring that up, but I don't want to cover the citation of the text. Alright. So I think this is large enough. And now we want to mask this, and you want to insert instructions at the top. So I may want to bring this down a bit and bring that down. So now I can insert a text box at the top. Let's go to insert, text box, draw a text box, and I'm going to draw a box here where I will now insert the instructions. Read the text. So we're now going to type the instructions. Read the excerpt below, then answer the questions that follow, and answer all the questions that follow. So I want to make this I would like to bold that, so bold. I want to make it a little larger, one size 12. Questions that follow. Now I'd like to eliminate this border that's around here. So I'm going to go to Format, select Shape, Outline, and No Outline, and then that border disappears. So great. So we have our instructions. Now we see this as question 32, question 33. So I now need to mask this. I will go to Insert, text box again, text box here, draw text box. So we're going to draw a little box here, and then I will type 1, number 1 there, full stop, and remove the borders again, shape outline, done. And now I want to copy this, Control C, and then I want to paste it again, Control V, so I don't have to repeat. I will now drag this over here, and I've masked that. So let's change this to number 2, question number 2, and there you have it. You've created your first paper, page 1, and you can insert your page numbers if you choose to. So now I'm going to save this as sample, save as, sample, as 2. And to show you what it looks like when you have the complete sample test, this is what you have. Now I can cover this instruction here because I think I forgot to do that. So to cover that, I'm going to go to Insert, Text Box, I'm going to box there and just cover that up. We type the instructions. So, questions below. Highlight that. Bold. No. Let's take it back this way. That. And we want to change the font size. There. Make that 12. And now we want to remove the border, shape outline, no outline, and there we have more paper. So let's make sure that we can actually see the word read. So I'm going to move this down. Right, there we go. Now it's perfect. And that's the first step to creating, transforming your test. So I'm going to stop here now and make sure to check out part 2 of the video where I show you how to make it interactive and upload it so that students can take it online in Google Classroom.